Hey there, beautiful friends. It is Carissa here. I have these like little earplugs to use for sleeping. They reach or can block out negative 35 decibels. They come in a container that you can easily take with you to like travel and stuff. So you can use them on airplanes. You can use them, when you're maybe sharing space with some noisy people. And show you what comes in the box here. It has instructions on how to put it in your ear. It says gently put the earplugs into the ear and twist as follows until the ear tip seals your ear canal fully. And we have a little storage container here. So if you're somebody that is like super sensitive to sound when you're trying to sleep, like I am, these will be really helpful for you. So here we have that. You've got the little tips and the little twisty parts that go in. So you're supposed to stick them in and then twist until it seals. And then it comes with one other little box. And what we have in here are some extras of the different pieces of them. So definitely highly recommend these. I'm really excited to give them a try. It says there's 4 earplug heads, and then there's different sizes of the ear tips, so you can find what's going to work best for your ear. There's small, medium, large, and extra small. I believe the X is what that stands for. And just follow these instructions and have a good night's sleep.